Hey guys, I am again Manthan. So this video wanna go to be the best video ever on this channel. So if you have a computer of or laptop of Windows 10 or 13, you wanna go to search box and write command prompt, and then you open it. This interface comes, and now I think if your desktop, laptop, or anything, or the computer, you don't know the password, you forgot the password, what was the password of this? So, first of all, you write net user. When you press enter, whole thing comes, and in the administrator, the name of the name of the password comes. Okay, sorry, not password, the user comes. So now you want to change your password and you forgot your password, so you don't need any of the thing like the previous password. So first of all, we write net user and the name of this, what is it return. So here it is guest. You want to write what is in your device. So guest and write uh, password, like what is your password you want to change. Like I want to change my password to 123123, so I want to write 123123, and when I press enter, the password of this device changes to 123123. You don't need the previous password. Wow. So second, now you want the like I have a Wi-Fi connected, not connected, and I want to connect it, but it says that you have to give the Wi-Fi password. So you don't know the password. So to find out the password, and this you can write net sh wlan show profile, and the name of the Wi-Fi, that what is the name of the Wi-Fi you want to connect. So like my Wi-Fi name is Manthan, so I write Manthan, and I forgot or I don't know the password of the Wi-Fi, so I write key is equal to clear, and when it comes here, the thing comes, and in the security uh, connectivity settings, you wanna find out the, and here you wanna find out the key content. I don't want to show my Manthan key content, so I'm not switching to down, and you have to copy it and paste it to the Wi-Fi. So you will be able to connect to any of your Wi-Fi. So the third one is, I wanna cancel it and open another. Yeah. So uh, now I want you know the any IP address or the DNS server, the name of the DNS server or IP address of anything. So first of all, I write IP config and slash all. When I write enter, this whole thing's come, and you can name that Windows IP configuration, host name, primary DNS suffix, and Ethernet adapter, Ethernet, wireless LAN. All the data comes here. So this was the three things I wanted to share with you, that you can change the password, know uh, the you can know the password of any Wi-Fi and more. So in the next video, please wait for the next video. I want to upload it tomorrow or day after tomorrow, that you can take the screenshot of laptop or desktop or computer anytime, anywhere, without downloading any of the software of the screenshot. So I will be telling 2 to 3 ways. So please be connected to my channel. So thanks for watching, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So thank you. Bye bye.